Hi there. Now let's take a look at basic editing. Editing can be a slippery slope. I have often spent more time editing a video than any other part of it. I've even heard it said videos are never finished. They are just taken away. For this particular video, I'm going to show you a few basic editing skills you can use to make quick touch-ups or get detailed and shoot for a flawless production. So I'm just going to use a clip I recorded earlier. Let's go to the end here. At the end here, you can see I've got some empty space. There's really no need to keep watching the video from this point. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Now there are a couple of ways. If I just mouse over the end of this, I can just drag it and remove the end, but both the audio and the video track have been done. Okay, now that's one way to do it. Let me show you another way. I also want to remove the beginning of this video. There's just no need for a viewer to sit down through 6 seconds of basically silence. Of course, I could do it the way I just did, like that, but I've still got the 6 seconds of silence. That didn't really help me. I guess I could drag the video tracks down like this, and that will probably work fine. But let me show you a different way. What I'm gonna do is drag on this handle bar, and pull it down so that I am highlighting this area here. Just the beginning, just the first 6 seconds or so. I'm gonna right click this area and say reput delete, and look at that. Camtasia deletes the entire area from both my audio and video track and pull both of them down to fill in the blank space. Next, I've got another problem here. I've got just a bunch of black space here and there. This happens all the time. Now, another thing that happens to me all the time is perhaps I cough here, or sneeze, or someone knocked at the door, or there's a screaming from a kid in the neighborhood. That kind of stuff happens all the time, but I can get rid of it, no problem. I'm gonna use the same technique. I'm gonna start about here. So right here, I'm gonna drag this handle out. It's just blank space. And right here, so I am gonna use the same technique. I'm gonna right click in this area and say reput delete, and now I've removed the entire area. Now, if you hadn't seen me do that, no one would know. It's magic. It's gone. Okay, so there you have some basic editing. Now, the real key to getting good at editing is, you guessed it, practice. That's the basics you need to know about editing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.